So far it handles very well. And even in eco mode, the car is very responsive. And that's the radar cruise control stopping. Now it's picking speed back up. All in all, a pretty smooth ride coming out of this car. And surprisingly, it rides like a Lexus should ride. And not bad braking at all. Yeah, this car just rides really well. It kind of reminds me of the Corolla hatchback. And surprisingly, that ride was extremely smooth as well. We're gonna go ahead and put it in manual mode now. I'm just curious. And surprisingly, these paddle shifters are really fun. And I really like how the pedal responds quickly. With a lot of your vehicles that have CVTs and smaller engines, you floor it and it takes a minute to put itself in gear, but this does a really good job. When you gas it, it's ready. And I really like that. And for the most part, it does its best job which it's a CVT, but it does do a really good job at making sure that you are, while you're cruising, at the lowest rev point possible. And that really helps with your fuel mileage, which is why you're able to get upper 30s out of this car in terms of MPG. This would definitely be a really good commuter car. It's just the seats are comfortable. It drives very well. And like I said, you're getting 36, 37 miles a gallon on the highway. You can't beat that. And one other thing I'll say is the driving position is just spectacular. You've got power with power lumbar support. The hood slants in front of you so you can see pretty well. And the steering wheel just feels so nice. And in a smaller car with smaller powertrain, that's really hard to come by. And people who like driving small cars but want the luxury amenities of a Lexus, this is going to be absolutely perfect for you. But that brings me to an end of our review of the 2019 Lexus UX 200.